Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this live session today. Here one doubt was sent by Vinay Lyrical Zone. Annotations lo full marks vestara. Yes, in annotations there is a scope of getting full marks 4 out of 4 provided we write introduction, context, explanation and critical comment also. Okay, there should be no grammatical errors. It should be straight to the point, very relevant. First paragraph we have to write about name of the lesson, name of the author and something about the author also we have to write. Then context, you have to fix the context, then meaning, explanation of the given line and add one comment also. If you write in this way, definitely you will get 4 out of 4. Okay, so for paragraph questions they won't give, maximum 3.5 they will give, but for annotations they will give 4 out of 4 marks. Okay, right, thank you. So already you know that TS paper correction has started. In Andhra, AP is going to start on 18th. So results are, second year results are expected in the first week of June. First year results second week. Similarly in Andhra also we can expect the results by second week of June. Another doubt raised by Safan, will supplementary be there or not? Yes, definitely supplementary will be there. So 1 month gap should be there after the announcement of the results. After the announcement of the results, supplementary exams will be there. Definitely it will be there. Don't worry about it. Another doubt, first year key paper we have put 100% correct. Yes, this is 100% correct. For some questions there may be multiple answers. Then all the answers will be valid. So they will consider all the answers. No need to worry about it. As far as TS second year paper correction is concerned, question number 14, form filling, there are some printing errors. If you attempt the question, they are giving full marks. If you attempt the question. Form filling, only for form filling. Just now we have received one more doubt by Abdul Rahman, English Inter second year. Correction will be liberal or tough? So look my dear, every time correction will be liberal only. Correction is always student friendly only. It is not at all tough. It is always student friendly only. So already I clarified the doubts in one of my videos. If you forgot to write question number also, they will consider. If you forgot to write section name also, if you are not mentioning the section name also, they will consider. No need to worry about it. So these are silly mistakes, silly errors. So sometimes we forgot to sign on the paper, sometimes we forgot to write the end also. So these things are minor issues. All these minor issues will be considered. No need to worry about it. Another doubt here, ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ సివిక్స్లో క్వశ్చన్ అటెంప్ట్ చేసా, వినయ్ లిరికల్ జోన్ ఓన్గా రాసా, మినిమం ఎన్ని వస్తాయి మార్క్స్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 5? యా, ఇన్ ఏపీ వెయిటేజ్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్, 5 మార్క్స్. హియర్ టీఎస్ 4 మార్క్స్ ఓన్లీ. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్ ఆన్ యువర్ ఓన్గా రాస్తే, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్ ఆన్ యువర్ ఓన్, సో దే విల్ కన్సిడర్ వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ స్ట్రైట్ టు ద పాయింట్ ఆర్ నాట్. ఇఫ్ యు రైట్ ఆన్ యువర్ ఓన్ ఆల్సో, if it has no grammatical errors, then you will get full marks. If it is annotation, you will get full marks also. There should not be any spelling errors, there should not be any grammatical mistakes. So if you write on your own also, no problem. If it is correct, you will get full marks. రిలేటెడ్గా రాసా. ఎస్, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ రిలవెంట్, no problem, you will get full marks. They won't consider. How will we know whether you wrote on your own or not? Every college has its own material. Okay, so you can write in any way, you can go in your own way. Okay, we are always encouraging the students to write on their own only. We should not by heart the answers. We should we should have command over the language. Okay, so writing on own is a good habit, but there should not be any mistakes. That is the reason. When first year paper correction will be completed? First, now second year is going on. Now second year is going on. So after another week, in another week, first year will be started. Okay, so first year will be started after another week. TS paper correction will be complete. Zaid Ali, when TS paper correction will be complete? So it will be completed by 31st of May. 31st of May it will be completed. Okay, 30 or 31st, sure. Why? Because they have increased the number of centers also. They have appointed more number of valuationers also, and valuationers are also attending the camp successfully, more than 100%. In some centers, reports came that more than 100%. How is it possible? For example, 100 members are there, 120 members are coming. That's why. So those who have not registered for the correction, those who are new to the profession, those who are working as junior lecturers in colleges, they are also coming and enrolling their names, and they are also participating in this program. That's why more than 100 is possible. Okay, thank you. MD Fahad, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wa alaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Subhash Shahi, sir, how you enter Telangana universities for undergraduate courses? How to enter Telangana University for undergraduate? Undergraduate means +1 +2 only. So after completing your SSC, you can take admission. So you have to take one non-local certificate. Okay, so some formalities are there. Migration certificate, it is also called migration certificate. If you produce that certificate, no problem, you can study here also. Telangana people can study in Andhra, Andhra people can study in Telangana. So but you have to think about pros and cons also. You should not affect your career in future. You should not affect your career. So you have to think about your pros and cons also. Regarding this, I will get back to you afterwards. Okay, thank you. MD Fahal, sir, how about improvement exam? Yes, improvement exam will be there. Definitely it will be there. Only for passing candidates, improvement exams are there 1 month after the results. There will be 1 month gap after the results. Okay, for example, if results are on June 10th, around July 10th, you will have improvement exams. You can write, no problem. Thank you. MD Zaid Ali, another doubt. BA colleges, degree colleges in Hyderabad, good colleges in Hyderabad. Many colleges are there. Jagruti, St. Joseph, many are there. Many are there. Okay, many colleges are there. Renowned colleges are there. For degree also, wonderful colleges are there. Okay. Next doubt. Vinay Lyrical Zone. Here I have got one more query here. Sir, I am CEC group. I attempted all questions. Do I get 450? Yes, definitely. So more than 450 also you can score. Children are getting, no, many are getting. So more than 450 also you can go, you can score. Okay, be optimistic. If you wrote wonderfully, definitely you will get excellent marks. Definitely you will get excellent marks. No problem. Next, MD Fahad sent me another doubt. Does improvement exam reduce the image of a student? No, not at all. Not at all. So there will be no remark about the improvement. How will we know? In your memo, it is not mentioned. In your memo, it is not mentioned. For example, if a student passed in supplementary also, it is not mentioned in the memo. That was the old story. In the olden days it was like that, but now it has been changed. Don't worry about it. So same, everybody will get similar memo, same memo. There is no scope for getting improvement supplementary. There is no provision to mention that this candidate is supplementary, this candidate is improvement. So that won't be revealed. That's why we need not worry about it. Don't be panic. So it will be same. It won't affect our marks. It won't affect our image also. No, it won't. It will never affect our image. Don't worry about it. ప్రణీత్ రెడ్డి హ్యాస్ సెంట్ మీ వన్ డౌట్. సార్ తెలంగాణ సిఈసి వాళ్ళకు బ్లైండ్గా కీ ఆన్సర్ ప్రకారం కరెక్షన్ చేస్తారా ప్లీజ్? మీన్స్ బ్లైండ్గా చేస్తారా అంటే బ్లైండ్గా కీని మనం ఫాలో అవుతాం. Scheme of valuation they will give. Definitely they will give on scheme of valuation. I will show you in next video. Scheme of valuation they will show you. But దాని ప్రకారం చేస్తాం అంతేగాని దాన్నే ఫాలో అవ్వాల్సిన రూల్ లేదు. ఓకే, దాన్నే ఫాలో అవ్వాల్సిన రూల్ ఏం లేదు. మల్టిపుల్ ఆన్సర్స్, దానికి ఇంకో వేరే ఆన్సర్ ఉన్నా కూడా ఇస్తారు. ఓకే, వాల్యుయేషన్ చేసేవాళ్ళు చాలా ప్రెసీస్గా, చాలా ఖచ్చితంగా చేస్తారు, చాలా యాక్యురేట్గా చేస్తారు. అది ఓన్లీ ఏంటంటే గైడ్ లైన్స్ అనమాట. జస్ట్ లైక్ ఏ గైడ్. ఓకే, అదొక హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది అంతే. అది హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. కీ అది వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చే స్కీమ్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యుయేషన్ ఎలా వేయాలి ఏంటి అది చేస్తుంది. అంతేగాని దాన్ని పొద్దుస్తమానం దాన్ని చూస్తూనే ఎవరు వాల్యూ చేయరు. ఓకే, వాల్యుయేషనర్కి మైండ్లో ఉంటుంది ఈ ఆన్సర్ రాస్తే వేయాలి, ఈ ఆన్సర్ రాస్తే వేయాలని చెప్పేసి దాని ప్రకారం వేస్తారు. ఓకే, రమేష్ ఎస్ సెంట్ మీ వన్ డౌట్. ఇంగ్లీష్లో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ రాయకపోతే మార్క్స్ వేస్తారా? క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ రాయలేదు, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ రాయలేదు, ఆన్సర్ అయితే రాశారు. అప్పుడు వాల్యుయేషనర్ చూసుకుంటాడు అనమాట, ఇది దేనికి సెట్ అవుతుంది, ఈ ఆన్సర్ దేనికి సెట్ అవుతుంది ఏమిటి అనేది చూసుకుంటాడు అనమాట. సో దాని ప్రకారం వేస్తారు. కానీ అది రాయపోవడం అనేది రిస్క్. అది రాయపోతే ఏమవుతుందంటే కొంచెం రిస్కీ అవ్వడం అది. కానీ వేస్తారు. డెఫినెట్లీ దే విల్ గివ్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఫర్గాట్ టు రైట్ ద క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్. అలా అని చెప్పేసి పొద్దుస్తమానం రాయకుండా ఉంటే ఎట్లా? రాయాలి. కొంతమంది ఎవరో ఉంటారు ఓవర్ స్ట్రిక్ట్గా చేసేవాళ్ళు, వాళ్ళు కొట్టేస్తారేమో కానీ జనరల్గా అయితే ఎవరు కొట్టేయరు. ఓకే, జనరల్గా 99% ఎవరు కొట్టేయరు. ఎందుకంటే మనం చేసిన పేపర్లని పైన సిఈ కూడా చూస్తారు కాబట్టి ఎవరు కొట్టేయరు, వేస్తారు. కానీ నెక్స్ట్ టైం నుంచి మీరు ఆ మిస్టేక్ చేయకండి. ఎవరు కూడా క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ రాయటం మర్చిపోవద్దు. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. నెంబర్ మార్జిన్లో రాసిన తర్వాతనే మనం ఆన్సర్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ డౌట్. Vinay Lyrical Zone. Sir, if I got 80% in one subject, can I write improvement marks increase or? Yeah, definitely you will write. You can write definitely. Condition is you must pass in all subjects. Okay, improvement లో చాలా మందికి డౌట్ ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇఫ్ వి గెట్ 80 in first attempt, second attempt in improvement, for example, if we get 75, better of these two, best of these two will be considered. 80 will be considered. So student is always safe side. Okay, if it is improved, next marks will be considered. If it is not improved, decreased, first marks will be considered. That's why safe side is there, safety is there for student. That's why many people go for improvement. Safety is there. If we get less marks also, no problem, best of the two will be considered. Safety, safe side is there. Next, MD Fahad sent me another doubt. Sir, will academic year change this year? Definitely it is going to change. So 1 month late, 1 month delay. For example, for second years mostly June 15 or July 1st in Telangana. First years maybe 1st August. So 1 month delay will be there. 1 month delay will be there. It will be adjusted. Okay, so Dasara holidays will be reduced, second Saturdays will be cancelled, other holidays, Pongal holidays will be cancelled. In that way they will reduce. No problem. Government can do anything. If it is not possible also, they will reduce 1 or 2 chapters. What is there? Next year exams will be delayed. Exams will be held in the month of April instead of March end or April first week. Okay, it can be adjusted. Working days can be adjusted. No problem. Subhash Shahi sent me another doubt. Sir, make the video in degree course and please counsel us for degree. Yeah, degree courses means degree English. Okay, definitely I will do that. In coming days, I will do that, definitely. Already one of my colleagues, he is making videos on degree accounts. I will give his description also in my next video. You please keep on watching to his videos also. Accounts, only for accounts he is making videos. Regarding English, I will do that. Okay. Thank you. Mohammed Naeem, hi sir, hello. Next doubt sent by Mohammed Naeem. What about improvements? Yeah, just now I have told you improvements are there after 1 month. So 1 month gap with the results, improvements are there. You can write improvements also. Don't worry about it. Improvements are there. And we have the next doubt here. Ramesh, yes, sent me one query. English grammar correction ela chestaru. Grammar, yes, key is given, no? Scheme of evaluation undi kada. Dani prakaram chestaru. One answer A, two answer and, three answer A, four answer the. For example, preposition lo one answer to, two answer by. వాళ్ళకి మనకి స్కీమ్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యుయేషన్ ఇస్తారు కదా, దే విల్ గివ్ స్కీమ్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యుయేషన్. సో ఆల్రెడీ లెక్చరర్స్ దే నో ఆల్ ద ఆన్సర్స్. విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ స్కీమ్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యుయేషన్ అది చూసుకుంటూ చేస్తారు. బై లుకింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద స్కీమ్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యుయేషన్ దే విల్ గో ఆన్ కరెక్టింగ్ ద ఆన్సర్స్. ఓకే, గ్రామర్ ఎవ్రీబడి ఈజ్ గివెన్ one scheme of valuation. It is called key paper. Okay, answers, it has all answers. Answer booklet will be given, so it will be it is prepared by experts. After the exams, key paper is prepared by experts that will be distributed to all the valuationers. Okay, with the help of that key you will go ahead. Yes, thank you. Next one. Pranit Reddy sent me one doubt. Sir, I am expecting 95 marks in economics, Sanskrit, civics, commerce. I wrote exams well. Handwriting, yeah, handwriting also plays an important role. 3-4 marks difference will be there. If you have good handwriting, definitely 90 to 95. If you have bad handwriting, 95 to 90. So increase decrease will be there. It makes the difference of 3 to 4 marks. So handwriting also plays main role. So definitely valuationers will be attracted by the neat handwriting. If you have good calligraphy, they will be attracted. Why? Because this student has lot of passion about the subject. He is very keen, he is very passionate about this subject. He likes my subject, that's why I should help him, I should give him more marks, maximum marks. In this way, it's also psychological game. It's just a psychological game. Okay, so we have to attract the valuationers. First impression is the best impression. First 2-3 pages if you write very well, then next pages if you are not writing very well also, it will be valid, chalta. Okay, like that. Yes. And next doubt is, Ramesh S sent me one doubt. In sentence correction, half correct sentence corrections, for example, correction of sentences in English, question number 12, correction of sentences, half correct. Half correct means how? No. In grammar, if it is full correct, then only it will be valid, otherwise invalid. Okay, full marks or nil marks. In grammar, no half mark, no quarter mark. If it is correct, you will get full marks, otherwise nil marks. MD Zaid Ali sent me another doubt. For BA English, which quality should have? So you have to, degree courses are different, so you have to write elaborately, you have to write lengthy answers. Writing, handwriting also, there are everywhere handwriting plays important role, elaboratedly. So for example, in intermediate level letter, 1 page, 1.5 page enough, but in degree you have to write 2 pages, 2.5 pages, like that. Essays, lengthy essays. Okay, you have to write lengthy answers, and take care of your grammatical mistakes also, spelling mistakes also, they will be counted. Okay, Thank you. Next, Abdul Rahman sent me one doubt. Sir, I have written extras. Will it consider? Yeah. If I write extra answer also, valuationer he will check. For example, in one section, two answers only we have to write. But I wrote three answers. So best of these three he will consider. No problem. Best of these three. Okay. So for example, two answers I have got three. Then last answer I have got four. So 3 4 he will consider. Not 3 4 he will consider. Best of these three. Extras they will count. Why? Because immediately he will come to know this is extra answer. Why? Because posting is there on for each question, for each answer we have to post on the OMR sheet. Posting there it will be come to know easily. So why we are getting more marks? Acha, extra answer is there. So where is the extra answer? Definitely it will be clear. Okay, extra writing extra is good habit only. If you don't mention extra also they will consider, but time factor is very important. For example, secondary English is a lengthy paper. If you write extra answers, time won't be sufficient. Last moment, if time is there, then only we have to go for extra answer. So writing extra answer is good habit only. So they will consider, no problem. Thank you. Ramesh, yes, sent me one doubt. Maths 1A I have done 4 marks sum. I have done in another method. They will give marks. Yeah. If method is valid, so if method is correct, if you are getting the answer, it will be considered. No problem, it will be considered. So any method, but it should be valid. It should be a valid method. It should be a correct method. Okay. Every lecturer has his own method, but it should be valid. So lecturers, they know all the methods, and senior lecturers are there. Those who are going for correction, they are all senior lecturers only. And group leader is a senior most lecturer. Group leaders are there. Subject experts are sitting over there. So they will go and approach them. So if we have any doubt while correcting the papers, if we have any doubts, they will approach the experts also. Experts are also available in the valuation hall. Experts are sitting. Paper setters, experts, all are sitting. That's why. So they will consider, no problem. Don't worry about it. Next doubt. If our answers are wrong, Abdul Rahman sent me one doubt. If our answers are wrong, will our extras will be considered? Yes, extras will be considered. Extras will be considered. All extras are considered. So whichever is correct, whichever is the best, that they will take. Whichever is the best, that they will take. Don't worry about it. Extras will be considered. Next doubt. Pranit Reddy, sir, Telangana CEC intermediate corrections are very strict. No, they are not very strict. They are liberal only. Liberal only, always student friendly. Not over liberal, normal. Okay, not over liberal. Okay, so always correction is very accurate. Very accurate. Don't worry about it. Very accurate. Liberal only, student friendly only. Not too much liberal. Bhanu Prasad, when may be TS MSET? So regarding TS MSET, I have made one video also. So MSET will be held in the last week of June or first week of July. Last week of June or first week of July. Definitely. Yes. Okay. Vinay Lyrical Zone sent me another query here. Sir, in correction of sentence, I wrote respect instead of respected. They will give marks or not? I will wrote respect instead of respected. Correction of sentences. So where is the sentence? Which sentence it is? Respected. TS paper or AP paper? Correction of sentences. I will get back to you. I will get back to you. Next, Manas sent me one doubt. MD Zaid Ali sent me one doubt. Sir, for BA courses, there is any channel in YouTube? Yeah, I will get back to you. I will get back to you afterwards. Okay, I will check and get back to you. So most of my colleagues, they are running channels. I will get back to you. I will inform you about this. Okay. Next doubt. MD suggests, sir, how can you guide a 10th class student to get good college with low fee? To get good college with low fee, 10th class student. So if he is appearing for 10th class now, so for intermediate, good colleges with low fee, MSET oriented or IIT oriented, not mentioned clearly. So Hyderabad, Twin Cities, or out of Hyderabad, it is not mentioned. If it is Hyderabad, MS colleges are the best. Okay, with low fee means affordable fee, MS colleges are the best ones. You can go to the nearest branch also. You can go to any nearest branch also. Okay. Yes. Manas, I attempted all questions in Hindi. Will I pass? Yeah, if they are relevant. Definitely, if they are relevant, definitely you will pass. Not only passing, you will get good marks also. You will get very good marks. So the question is whether, so here, quantity is not important. Quality is important. Quality is more important here. So they should be relevant. If it is trash, if you are writing all trash only, no use, no use. Okay. So it should be relevant. There should be some stuff over there. Next, Pranit Reddy, sir, I wrote Infosys was founded by Narayan Murthy. Correct only. No problem. Correct only. Next doubt. Random videos by Ehsan Ali. Sir, expected result date. First year, second year, June first week. TS. Second year, June first week. First year, June second week. Okay, 1 or 2 days, more or less 1 or 2 days. That is the expected date. Next, Pranit Reddy, sir, I wrote the knowledge of history is always useful, but textbook is given, which is correct. Textbook is given. Yeah, here 2 answers are there. A knowledge of history is useful. The knowledge of history is useful. Both are correct. Don't worry, both are correct. For A and D, we are giving the marks. Already we have been doing the correction. Today also I have the duty, but I am reporting late today. I have taken permission, so don't worry. So we are giving marks for both A or D. Okay, right. Next, Nagu P has sent me one doubt. Sir, when MSET exam TS? So just now I have given the answer. June and last week of June or first week of July. Last week of June or first week of July. It will be there. Okay. Next, Ehsan Ali, result TS IP expected date. Yeah. Second year June first week. First year, June second week. Vinay Lyrical Zone, Gandhi said that he respected all religions. Okay. Correction of sentences. That is not correction of sentences. Gandhi said, I respect all religions. Into indirect speech. I have the paper also in my hand. Gandhi said, I respect all religions. Here we have to change it into indirect speech. Gandhi said that he respected all religions. Past tense. So the person who is no more, we have to use present tense into past tense. Respect becomes respected. If you don't change the word into past tense, you will lose the marks. Okay, so you can't get the marks. This is wrong. So MD Sajjad, IIT oriented in Hyderabad. IIT oriented in Hyderabad. So MS College, they have two branches at Mehdipatnam and Malakpet. IIT Rahmani. So another one IIT, another normal IIT batch. Two batches are going on. So Malakpet or Mehdipatnam, you can go to the, you can approach the nearest ones. Okay. Thank you. Next one, Nagu. Sir, when MSET exam TS? Yeah. So I have given the answer, no? So June and or July first week. Okay. Thank you. Next, MD Sajjad, is MS College good for MPC IIT? Can you say expected fee? Yeah, expected fee, it is around 70,000. Uh, 60 or 76, between 60 and 70,000 for day scholars. For hostelers, it will be more. Okay, so 1.25 like that. So that's a good college only. Malakpet and Mehdipatnam, two branches are there. You can go to, you can approach any, the nearest one you can approach. Okay, thank you. Ramesh S. In TS Inter first year paper, 11th question I wrote whether he is confident instead of was, I will get marks. 11th question I wrote. 11th question I wrote whether he is confident instead of where it is. 11th question means whether he is confident or not. Acha. In 11th question, third bit, the teacher said to the student, are you confident? The teacher asked the student whether he was confident. If he was confident or whether he was confident. If or whether, you can write any if or whether, but he was confident. Whether he was confident, was should be there. If was is not there, you can't get the marks. You can't get the marks. Was should be there. Manas sent me one doubt. Sir, how much gap will be between the second year and first year? 1 week gap. Only 1 week gap. Okay? For results, no, you are asking about. 1 week gap is there. Okay? Next one. Sajjad, best degree college for second year student who want to do MBA from IIM. Best degree colleges, yeah, Jagruti colleges are there, and St. Joseph colleges are there, St. Mary's are there, and for girls also many colleges, Villa Mary, so Roots colleges. So I will get back to you once again regarding this. Okay, these are the best colleges. Thank you. Venkat sent me one doubt. Will the pass percentage of TS Inter will increase, sir? Pass percentage of TS Inter will increase, sir? It depends. Now we can't predict. Okay, it depends. Almost how much we got last year, 1 or 2%, more or less. That's it. Thank you. Vinay Lyrical Zone sent me one doubt. Sir, Inter first year 17th bit 4 out of 4 Vestara. 17th bit is transcoding the information. Transcoding information, yeah. If it is 100% correct, you will get 4 out of 4. If it is diagram also, you will get 4 out of 4. If it is text also, if you wrote very well, all the topics or all the bits are covered. Only one paragraph you have to write. Okay. Then you will get, surely you will get 4 out of 4. Okay. Thank you. Sajjad, sir, I want to do MBA. What should I opt, BCom or BBA? So after BCom also you can go for MBA. Okay, BBA, yeah, better you do BBA then after MBA. So you will have more proficiency, you will have more uh, practical knowledge also. BBA, MBA, that is better. In my opinion, that is better. Thank you. Sajjad sent me one more doubt. How about Badruka College? It is also good. Badruka, yeah, I forgot to mention its name. Badruka is also one of the reputed colleges. Yes, it's one of the reputed colleges, Badruka. So in my next videos, I will mention the names of for the degree colleges. They are very reputed colleges. No problem. Next doubt sent by Abdul Rahman. Sir, inter second year curriculum vitae, how many marks will be awarded out of 4 marks? Yeah, 4 out of 4 they will award. If you wrote all correctly, they will give 4 out of 4. For letter also they will give 4 out of 4. For note making also they will give 4 out of 4. For describing process grammar you will score full marks. Otherwise how people are getting 98, how people are scoring 99? So in second year 99 generally they won't give, 98 is the highest mark. 98 first year, second year 98. English we are not getting 99, 98 is the highest mark. Okay, so grammar they will give full marks. CV, letters, they will give full marks. Note making, they will give full marks. Next, Rama Rao sent me one doubt. Expect results date when, sir? So here, yeah, June first week second year, June second week second year. In Andhra, June mostly. Similarly, Andhra also June second week only. MD Sajjad sent me one doubt. Badruka College, I am a bit confused. So regarding degree college, I will get back to you. Okay, I will chat with you regarding degree colleges. Okay, Badruka is also good college, no problem. It is one of the oldest colleges in our twin cities. It's a good college. You can go for, undoubtedly it's a nice college. You can go for Badruka College. I think competition is very high. I think competition is more, I think, for Badruka College. Thank you. Now Vinay Lyrical Zone sent me one doubt. Sir, annotations lo minimum 3 వేస్తారా? పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా రాసా? రిఫరెన్స్ కాంటెక్స్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ క్రిటికల్ కామెంట్ కూడా రాసా? 3.5 వేస్తారా? If it is perfectly good, you can expect 4 out of 4 also. Why 3.5? మొత్తం కరెక్ట్గా ఉంటే 4 out of 4 ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. 4 out of 4 వస్తాయి. ఓకే, 3.5 ఏంటి, 4 కూడా వస్తాయి. యానోటేషన్లో వస్తాయి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఫుల్ మార్క్స్ వేస్తారు, మొత్తం రాస్తే ఫుల్ మార్క్స్ వేస్తారు. Sajjad sent me one doubt. Sir, I am quite confused about CA versus MBA, IIM. CA versus MBA. See, CA is really tough course. Okay, CA is really very tough course. It takes a lot of time also, time consuming one. Dedication is required. Dedicatedly we have to study. 5-6 years we have to study with full dedication. So CA is in great demand. You can go for CA. That is my advice. Okay. Next doubt, PR Reddy. Vocational first year answer key పెట్టండి సార్. Vocational paper I don't have మా, అందుకనే నా దగ్గర వొకేషనల్ పేపర్ లేదు. మీ దగ్గర ఉంటే పంపించండి, వాట్సాప్కి పంపించండి, నేను అప్పుడు ట్రై చేస్తాను. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ వొకేషనల్కి. అదర్వైజ్ ఐ విల్ టేక్ ఫ్రమ్ మై colleagues also. I will try. Why? Because we are not correcting vocational papers, we are correcting general papers. Vocational camp వచ్చేసి అది నాంపల్లిలో సపరేట్గా ఉంది. I will take, ట్రై చేస్తాను నేను. థ్యాంక్ యూ. MD Zaid Ali, how to prepare for group 1 TSPCS? Okay, Public Service Commission. PSPCS, PSC, TS, I think it is TSPSC, group 1. So group 1, if you are appearing for, if you have desire for group 1, your ambition is to crack group 1 services from degree onwards only. You should be very keen. You should have good command over GK, current affairs, grammar also, minimum mathematical knowledge also you must know, means calculations, LCM, HCM, percentages, ratios, you must know. So this is not my cup of tea. I am a BPC student, I am C student, maths I don't know, means it won't work out. Minimum mathematics knowledge we have to improve, we must have. And GK, you must have passion about GK, current affairs, and on grammar, English spoken also you must have very good command. From degree onwards you have to improve your foundation, then it is possible. Okay, easily you can crack. Many are cracking, many are getting, no, not PS, UPSC also you can crack. So why don't you opt for UPSC civil services? You can go for UPSC civil service also. Best coaching centers are there in our twin cities also. RC Reddy and many more are there at Chikkadpalli, Ashok Nagar area. So you can go to any coaching center and you can take seek guidance also from there. Okay, thank you. Next doubt, Sajjad, CA versus MBA, which is the best? MBA IIM. MBA IIM means that is more reputed. MBA from IIM means just like IIT. So engineering from IIT, MBA from IIM, that is more reputed than CA. So MBA IIM is preferable, more preferable. Okay, thank you. Next, Ramarao sent me one doubt. Sir, in intermediate English grammar, I got 55 marks. How many marks I will get? Grammar, if you are scoring 55 out of 60, section A, how you wrote, section A, ఎలా రాసావు నువ్వు, it depends. So I think you may score, if you wrote section A perfectly, you may score 90 marks. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ కదా, 90 మార్క్స్ యూ మే స్కోర్. ఓకే, 5 మార్క్స్ పోతున్నాయి కదా, 95కి ప్లేస్లో 90 వస్తాయి. యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ ఆల్సో, నో ప్రాబ్లం. యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ బెటర్మెంట్ దిస్ టైమ్. సో యూ ట్రై 60 out of 60 ఇన్ గ్రామర్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. వెంకట్ సెండ్ మీ వన్ డౌట్. సార్, ఇంటర్ పేపర్స్ ఈజీగా చేస్తారా ఈ కోవిడ్ సిచ్యువేషన్ వల్ల? సి, ఇన్ వన్ ఆఫ్ మై వీడియోస్ ఐ మెన్షన్ క్లియర్లీ, COVID-19 లాక్డౌన్ దే హ్యావ్ నథింగ్ టు డూ విత్ కరెక్షన్. కరెక్షన్కి వాటికి ఏం సంబంధం లేదు. కోవిడ్ ఉన్నా కరెక్షన్ ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది, కోవిడ్ లేకపోయినా కరెక్షన్ అలాగే ఉంటుంది, నార్మల్గా ఉంటుంది. సో నాట్ సో లిబరల్, నాట్ సో స్ట్రిక్ట్, నార్మల్గా ఉంటుంది, ఆల్వేస్ స్టూడెంట్ ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉంటుంది. డోంట్ వరీ. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. నెక్స్ట్, మానస్. సార్, ఇంటర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ జస్ట్ పాస్, కెన్ వి గెట్ 90 above ఇన్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్? ఇంటర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ జస్ట్ పాస్, కెన్ వి గెట్ 90 above సెకండ్? యా, డెఫినెట్లీ. There is no relation. First year you took it light maybe. Second year you worked hard. You can score. It depends upon your passion. It depends upon your hard work. Usually you can score 90. What 90? 90 plus also. 95, 96 also you can score. Okay. Thank you. Next, random videos by Hasan Ali. Sir, when will be second year correction and second year corrections will end in another 3-4 days. Okay. In another 3-4 days they will end. Then first year correction will be starting. Next, sir, exams of engineering second semester. Engineering second semester not yet decided, ma. After I think in the month of August, not now. Okay. Next, thank you, Balu. Hi sir, good morning sir. Which one is best for MP student, MSET or degree? It depends. So MPC or engineering, MP student, MSET or degree means some people want to become lecturers, teachers. Okay, for them degree is preferable. BSc, B.Ed, MSc, B.Ed, they want to become teachers, lecturers, they want to go for a PhD side, professors, university professors. So degree, but mostly people prefer a MSET. Why? Because they want to go for engineering, the shortcut. Okay, after 4 years they will be getting jobs in any industry, any software company like that. So it depends upon the personal interest. So if you are interested in which area, then I will tell you. Okay, depending upon your personal interest. If you want to teach a lecturer, PhD professor means PhD is preferable. Okay, thank you. MD Zaid Ali, for group exam we can opt BA. Yeah, why not? That is also degree. BA, that is also, BTech is also degree, BA is also degree. See, one of my friends, he passed BA from Open University. Now he is IAS officer. Open University, he passed BA. Now he is an IAS officer. So afterwards he became more serious and he worked hard. He cracked the exam. Okay, you can. Thank you. Vinay Lyrical Zone. Sir, Telugulo 97, 98 వేస్తే రౌండ్ ఫిగర్ 97.98 వేస్తే 99 వేస్తారా? రౌండ్ ఫిగర్ మీన్స్ half mark will be considered. For example, 97 end off, that is 98. 0.98 ఉండదు కదా, 90.5 ఉంటుంది అంతే, 0.5. Okay, 94 end off is equal to 95. 95 end off is equal to 0.5, 96 like that. So half mark bonus is there. Half mark bonus is there for students. Okay, yes. Next doubt, Balu, open degree is best or not, sir? Open degree is, yeah, equivalent only. That is also equivalent to normal degree. Nobody will see it is open or regular. Nobody will see. Depends upon your skills. Okay. It is not mentioned also. It is also equivalent. Next, Ramarao, good sir. Thank you. Sajjad sir, how easy is to get a government job? Getting a government job is very hard nut to crack in these days. Very tough job. So lot of competition is there. For example, getting a teacher post is equal to getting a collector post nowadays. Okay, government jobs are very few and lot of competition. Thousands of lakhs of people For example, 100 posts are there. For example, lakhs of people they will write. That's why a lot of competition is there. But you need not be disappointed. If you work hard, definitely you can score. You can get any job. Or now, most of my students recently they got group services. They are selected as excise, CIS, excise, SIs. Many government jobs they got. Okay, IAS also we are getting. So we should not be scared of the competition. We should be in the race. We should be ahead of the race, ahead to any all means. So what is the difference between ordinary and extraordinary? That extra work we have to do. Okay, everybody is working for 4 hours. We have to work for 5 hours, 6 hours. Everybody is sleeping at 11 o'clock. We have to go to bed at 12 o'clock. Means we have to study till 12 o'clock, like that. So extra work you do, you become extraordinary. Okay, if you want to become extraordinary, you have that extra work we have to do. Okay, go to university campus. Once you go to university campus and see the library, it is always occupied by many students, thousands of students. How serious they are, how serious they are. So you will be inspired if you visit the libraries in universities, not only OU, JNTU, HCU, Maulana Azad. You visit the universities, how children are studying seriously, studying, preparing seriously. So you will get some inspiration by seeing them, by watching them. Okay, so like that we have to study. Okay, once you go and watch them for inspiration purpose, I am telling you, I am advising you. Okay, thank you. Next, Abdul Rahman. Sir, annotations, question and answer, all I have written. One side full, another side half. Will they award minimum 3 marks? But I have written perfectly. Yeah, more than 3 also you can. You can score 3 and a half, 4 also. If it is perfectly good, 3 and a half, 4 also you can score, no problem. Yes, thank you. Swapna has sent me one doubt. TS Inter first year result. First year results June second week mo. Second year mo June first week. First year June second week. Okay. Thank you. Rama Rao. My handwriting will be good, sir. I can get full marks in section A. I got 55 marks in English grammar, sir. Just now you have sent me doubt, no? Okay, then you can, there is chance of getting 90 marks. ఓకే, మీకు 90 మార్క్స్ వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ కదా, ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ అయితే మీరు యూ కెన్ బెటర్ యూ గో ఫర్ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్. గ్రామర్లో మీరు ట్రై చేయండి, 60 అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 60కి ట్రై చేయండి. సో మీకు 95, 96, 97, 98 కూడా వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. సో యూ గో ఫర్ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ నెక్స్ట్ టైం. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Manas, sir, can we write railway exams after 12th? Yeah, there are some exams. Railway board, okay, RRB is conducting for some exams for 12th standard. Okay, so signal assistants, traffic assistants, like that. So some jobs are there. You can, so you should be in touch with newspapers every day. And once you visit RRB site, Railway Recruitment Board RRB site, you visit, then you will come to know about the information. Okay, next. Thank you. Pranit Reddy, sir, I wrote in corrections of sentence, he has deep knowledge of various fields. He has deep knowledge of various fields. Corrections. He has deep knowledge of. Knowledge. Yeah, correct only. Knowledge. Correct. That is also correct. That only correct. That only correct. That is the right answer. Okay? Right answer. Thank you. Balu. I have interest in MSET only, sir, but I don't have the coaching from first year onwards, so I am confused, sir. No problem. Now in second year you take coaching, okay? MSET. Second year you undergo some coaching program from day onwards, from day 1 onwards. So you start preparing, taking some books and solving old papers. Okay? Easily you can score. Easily you can get. Next doubt. Memory trainer is best for us. Jaydali, memory trainer is best for us. I can't get it. Memory trainer is best for us means what? You want to become memory trainer? Send me clearly. You send me the doubt clearly. You want to become memory trainer, or you want to undergo memory training program? Please be clear. Okay, thank you. Rashid Ahmed, what after BPC second year? BPC second year means you can go for medical courses, AGBSc, Pharma, D Pharma, okay, MBBS, Unani, Allopathy, Ayurvedic, many options are there. Okay, so this physiotherapy also good in demand. Many of my students, they are doing physio also. They are getting wonderful jobs in Gulf countries also. Here also you are getting. Why? Because many hospitals, every hospital requires no. So a lot of scope is there. Is a lot of wonderful scope is there. Okay. Sajjad, can you suggest part-time jobs for students except teacher? Part-time jobs for students. Part-time jobs. See, part-time jobs means you can work for any, the menial jobs will be there. Low jobs will be there. Working for bookshops, selling, and working for real estate company. They are menial jobs only. Low paid jobs are there. Okay, low paid jobs. Definitely they will affect your means preparation program. Okay, if you are very serious about getting jobs, if you are serious about uh, getting government jobs also, they will affect, time consuming. Okay, yes. Sajjad, another doubt, sir, when you are leaving guidance for intermediate English learner, how can I have a great command on English? When you are leaving guidance for an intermediate English learner, how can I have a great command on English advanced level? Yeah, advanced level. See, this language is learned by use, not by rules. Every day you have to converse freely in English. So with your classmates or with your members of family, you just make it a habit. Okay, you converse daily. So it should be a part and parcel of your life. Then only it will be possible for you. It's an easy job today. So very easy job. Okay, so I worked hard for 5 years. Sincerely telling, honestly telling, I worked hard for 5 years. So it takes time. It takes time. In 2 3 years also, wonderfully, by reading newspaper every day, by reading story books, children's story books, academic books, okay, historical books. So you can improve your command. So you just examine how they are writing, what is the structure of sentence, how we can frame the sentences in this way, we can improve our skills. Okay, but practice is very important, conversation is very important. You have to converse, you have to implement it, then only it is possible. Okay, very easy, you can do it within 1 or 2 years. You can become perfect also, no problem. With zero knowledge also, you can become perfect within 1 or 2 years. Thank you. నెక్స్ట్ వినయ్ లిరికల్ జోన్ సెండ్ మీ వన్ డౌట్ సార్. 11th క్వశ్చన్లో 5th 6th ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. 11th క్వశ్చన్లో 5th 6th. 5th వన్, ఇట్ బ్రింగ్స్ న్యూ హోప్స్. క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్ ఇస్ డజంట్ ఇట్. డోంట్ వేస్ట్ టైమ్, విల్ యూ. డోంట్ వేస్ట్ టైమ్, విల్ యూ. వోంట్ యూ రాసినా కూడా కరెక్టే అవుతుంది, బట్ విల్ యూ ఈజ్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. డోంట్ వేస్ట్ టైమ్ క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్, 2 క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్లే ఉన్నాయి. ఇట్ బ్రింగ్స్ న్యూ హోప్స్, డజంట్ ఇట్. డోంట్ వేస్ట్ టైమ్, విల్ యూ. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. నెక్స్ట్ బాలు, నౌ ఐ కంప్లీటెడ్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ సార్. ఓకే, సెకండ్ ఇయర్ అయితే మీకు ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ లేదు. దర్ ఇస్ నో ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్. యూ కెన్ స్కోర్ 90 మార్క్స్. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. నెక్స్ట్ జైద్ అలీ, అండర్గో మెమరీ ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. నో నీడ్ టు. సో నో నీడ్ టు go undergo memory training program. If it is free of cost, you can go, but don't spend lot of money on that. Okay, no need. Okay, so if it is free of cost, then you go and join the course. If they are charging, no need to go. Why? Because self-made, we can also improve our memory, no? So you can surf the net. Wonderful techniques are there, wonderful, by solving puzzles, by solving sudoku puzzles and logical questions, we can improve our memory training. We must have good physical habits also, doing regular exercise, having good food, having good sleep, having good company, friends. Okay, having good thoughts, all positive thoughts. So we can improve our memory. Okay, so first of all, believe that our memory is good, my memory is good, like that you have to believe. For example, if I gave my phone number, so immediately you have to recall it. Sir's phone number is 9849692467, like that you have to recall it. Then so it is a brainstorming, it's a storm for the brain. So brain should work, it should be very active. So many techniques are there. Once you check my videos, memory techniques, 3 videos are there, part 1, part 2, part 3. So once you go through those videos, okay, no need to spend money for memory training. If it is free, so you can join, otherwise don't spend money for that. Thank you. Venkat, when will the engineering academic year will start, sir? engineering academic year will start from 1st August only. 1st August, not now. Okay, right. Abdul Rahman, sir, best books for MSET MPC to score a good rank less than 2000. Please, I have a good score in IP. Best books for MSET MPC. Best books. Arihant publication is very good. Deepthi also very good. Okay, Deepthi also very good. Please solve previous papers. Previous papers. You solve previous papers. They will help you a lot. Now, thank you. Pranit Reddy. In final accounts, I wrote pro forma transaction, but total didn't tally in profit and loss account. And balance sheet, how many marks they will give out of 20 marks? Final accounts. Regarding commerce, I need to ask my commerce colleague. Okay. Okay. I will introduce my commerce lecturer to you. Okay. Today by this evening, I will introduce my commerce lecturer to you. You just clarify with him. I am not sure about this sum. Okay. You just clarify with him. I will give his channel details also in my description. Please go through it. Okay, thank you. Sir, intercorrection of Telangana. It's going on. Truth speaker. Sir, intercorrection of Telangana. It's going on. 12th only it started. Already going on. Okay. Second year is going to end. First year they are going to start within another 2-3 days. Easy or hard? Acha, this is the doubt. Easy or hard? Easy only. Not hard. Easy only. Okay, easy only. Okay. Sajjad, sir, can you share your notes then? Regarding spoken English. I will try. Okay. So actually, I prepared when I was new to this profession, when I joined as a lecturer, when I entered into this field in 2000, I started reading newspapers till midnight also. I used to read the Hindu and DC every day. I used to prepare one notes. I had my own notes like that, idioms and phrases, vocabulary development, many books. I worked hard on many books. Okay, why? Because basically I was not good at English at that time. I was zero. I didn't have much communication. Okay, that's why I struggled a lot. I worked hard. Easily you can get. Okay, yes. Thank you. Pranit Reddy. Second is noun or adjective. I wrote noun. Whether it is correct or wrong. Can you please reply? Second, parts of speech. Question number 15. Second, second Indian. The word second. Second is adjective here. It is qualifying the noun Indian. So the word which comes before a noun is always adjective. The word which comes before a noun is always adjective. Okay, it is adjective, not noun. Second is adjective, no doubt. Next, sir, in degree, which group is best for MP students? Yeah, maths, BSc maths you take. For MPC, BSc maths only you take. Okay, right. Next, Sajjad sent me one doubt. Why? Because don't mind my correction. Don't mind my correction. Don't mind my correction. Why? Because means I can't get it. Okay, Sajjad, I will talk to you later. Okay, we will have a discussion. Right. Ramarao, what is the maximum marks in Inter IP? Maximum marks in Inter IP. 990 out of 1990 also in first year out of 470, 466 also they are scoring, no? 466 also children are scoring. Okay. So only in Sanskrit, for example, second language, 1 mark we are losing, in English 2 marks losing, 3 marks, 1 or 2 marks in another subject. So 466 also we are getting. Similarly, second year 990, 992, 994 also we are getting. Okay. Yeah, for second year, yeah. 990. Okay, right. The truth speaker. Where you live, sir? I stay at Mehdipatnam. Okay, Mehdipatnam, Hyderabad. Okay, thank you. Good engineering college in Hyderabad. The truth speaker. Send me one doubt. Good engineering college in Hyderabad. Obviously, campus colleges OU, JNTU, okay, and some campus affiliated colleges are also there. After that, CBIT, MGIT, Vasavi, Matrusri, these are the best colleges. Then third level, okay, first level, second level over, no, third level, MJ, VJIT, Anurag, Guru Nanak, these are good colleges at third level. Levels are there. First level, government college, campus college. Second level, CBIT, MGIT, Vasavi, Matrusri. Third level, MJ, VGIT, VBRT, and Vignan Jyoti College, VNR Vignan Jyoti. These are good colleges. Okay, right. Mahin Fatima, hi sir. Hi, hello. Sajjad, used to why because so I said how much I know it's wrong. You used to why because so I said how much I know it's wrong. Next, regarding what you used why because so I said how much I know it's wrong. Yeah, you should undergo some training program. There should be one coach. Coach must be there, so he will guide you whether you are speaking correctly or not. So you must undergo some training program. It will be helpful for you for spoken English. Okay, you are talking about, no? Right. Thank you. Next doubt, Zaid Ali, sir, please tell about best career options for MPC. For MPC, obviously, engineering best career. If you are interested in teaching field, degree, BSc, BEd, MSc, or research side, you want to become professor at university level, PhDs, okay, PhD. So wonderful opportunities are there. Engineering everybody is doing, no? So you go for less trodden path. Many are not going this side, BSc, MSc. So that is my sincere advice is BSc, MSc, PhD. That is the best one. Okay. Yes. Next doubt. When you are ending session, sir, now only I am going to end. Within 5 minutes, I am going to end. Why? Because I have to go to the camp paper evaluation duty now. Today I have taken permission for 1 hour. Actually, I am supposed to be there by 9 o'clock, but I told them I will come around 10:30 today. Okay, I am going to end this program now only. Thank you. Now, Balu, sir, please tell free online class for physics and chemistry for MSET. Online class for physics and chemistry. Physics and chemistry. Okay, I will try. Okay, I am giving some tips also regarding physics and chemistry. I have prepared some tips. I have gathered information from my colleagues. Okay, I will try to arrange the classes. Okay, thank you. 440 marks. Rama Rao sent me one doubt. 440 marks are good, sir. First year intermediate. Yeah, 440 marks is good score. Okay. Out of 470 marks means out of 470, 440 is good score. Yes. Wonderful. Balu. Me also staying in Medipatnam, sir. Okay. Thank you. So try to meet me once. Okay. If you have any doubts further. Okay. Thank you. Lakshman Rao, V. Lakshman Rao, TS inter results, sir. Yeah, I told already. Second year, first week of June. First year, second week of June. Okay. Vinay, sir, 9th bit preposition lo 4th answer cheppandi. 9th bit preposition, 4th answer. 4th answer. The syllabus will be completed. Yeah, in February. By February, both are correct. What you wrote in Rasya, correct only, correct. In February, by February, before February, all are correct only. Okay, right. Third kuda cheppandi, sir. Third one. Who did she send it to? To correct. Who did she send it to? From gadu, for gadu, to. Who did she send it to? To correct. Okay, thank you. Manas, my brother is studying in Slate School, Abbottson School. Is the school good? Yeah, Slate is also good school. Yeah, Slate. It is run by Vasi Reddy Foundation Society. Okay, it's good school. Good school. Abbott's. Okay, Gun Foundry. It's good school. Next, Zaid Ali. Sir, thanks for your precious time. Thank you very much. Welcome. Okay. Zaid Ali. Sir, which skills should develop as a student? Skills means academic skills plus soft skills. Academic skills plus soft skills. Soft skills means communication, everything it comes under. Okay, these two are very important. Balu, Mehdipatnam, where sir? So Attapur Ring Road. Okay, thank you. Lakshman Rao, TS inter paper corrections dates. Corrections already started. Second year results in June first week. First year results in June second week. Okay. Rama Rao, can I write betterment to get more than 440? Yeah, definitely. You write betterment. Okay. That is the chance government is giving us an opportunity. Many are not utilizing the opportunity. We have to utilize the opportunity. Even 1 mark also very precious. So even 1 mark also very useful for our intermediate MSET. So weightage is there, no, that's why. So we have to write. Okay, thank you. Will this year majority students pass in inter, sir? It depends. It depends. Okay, hopefully they will pass. Right. Next, Balu. For degree, Koti Women's College is best, sir. Koti Women's College. Yeah. For ladies, Women's College, the best college. Yes, it's a wonderful college. For women, it is a wonderful college. Thank you. To speaker, thank you for your support, students, sir. Thank you very much. Welcome. So I need your cooperation always. Okay. Ramarao, sir, give you a WhatsApp number, sir. I will send. Definitely, I will send. Okay. 9052918109. 9052918109. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for sending your queries. I hope that you have clarified all your doubts. We meet again very soon. Very soon. Very soon. We meet again. So thank you very much for your cooperation. Keep watching my videos. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please share my videos with your friends. So I need your cooperation always in the service of students and lecturers. See you very soon. Meet you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.